Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 6 ways to earn with ChatGPT. And these 6 ways are best freelance work with ChatGPT. So let's jump into our main video. So first we learn about what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state of the art language model delivered by OpenAI that has the ability to generate human-like text. It has been trained on a massive amount of data, allowing it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and questions. This makes it a powerful tool for social media marketers as it can help them create engaging and personalized written content for their audience. So, first way, you can do content writing. So, if you are a content writer or if you can do content write and you can use ChatGPT to write your content. So how can this is possible? And where you write content? You can write content for freelance marketplace or any other company or local or international agency. Okay. So when you are a content writer, you use ChatGPT to make easy your work. So how? You can use simple prompt and generate content from ChatGPT and then give it a human touch and then sell this. So here is you can see just simple prompt with some keyword to write a content. Okay, so this is just example. You can modify or optimize your prompt as you desire. Okay, so next you can solve doubts and earn money by answering questions online. That means in these websites here you see Presto Experts, Chegg, Just Answer, Maven, School Solver Experts, 123 Topper. In this website you can find many questions and your work is find questions and paste these questions in ChatGPT and then just find answer. And when you find answer, just put answer on these questions and then you can earn money. Next, you can create a faceless YouTube channel. So when you can start a faceless YouTube channel, you need script, voiceover, and video footage to create video. So first of all, if you find a topic or niche, you need a script to create video. So create this script, you need help of ChatGPT. First you select a niche. Here is some simple niche: travel, investment, business, technology, etc. And simple prompt: create me a 10-minute interesting YouTube script on how to lose belly fat in 3 months. It's just example. You can optimize it or modify it. Okay, so when ChatGPT give you the script, you just make it voiceover and then add this to your footage. Okay, then the video is done and then you can upload this video on your YouTube channel and you can do it continuously and then you can earn a lot of money. Next, you can do email marketing campaign as a digital marketer. So when you can create email marketing campaigns or write emails, you can use ChatGPT. And if you can, or if you use ChatGPT, you can create more emails at the same time. Okay, here is the simple prompt. Next, you can write ebooks and sell these ebooks to Amazon KDP. You can find moral-based story or interesting history or history-related any topic and write ebook and just get the script from ChatGPT and make from Canva and then publish it to Amazon KDP. Next, you can become a social media manager and earn money and use ChatGPT to a helper as a social media manager. So one of the biggest benefits of ChatGPT for social media marketers is its ability to generate high quality, unique content quickly and easily. That's right. With its advanced language understanding capabilities, it can write captions, posts, and even entire blog articles that are tailored to the specific needs of a brand or audience. This can save a lot of time and effort of our marketers, who often struggle to come up with fresh, engaging content on a consistent basis. So here is the ChatGPT formula for a social media marketer. To get the most out of ChatGPT, you have to ask the right questions. A formula that is working well at the moment at this one. Write me a kind of text that is style and tone, highlighting featuring characteristics. For example, you can say write me a Facebook ad that is persuasive, funny, conversational, and highlight the benefits and importance of a digital marketing strategy. That's just simple prompt. Next, how social media marketers can use ChatGPT in their work. Write social media captions, blog posts, customer services, product description, Instagram stories, email campaigns, Facebook posts, Twitter threads, YouTube videos, scripts, and podcast scripts. Okay. Next, when you use ChatGPT as a social media marketer, you can follow some rules. So first, be specific. You must be specific. When asking ChatGPT a question, make sure to provide enough information for it to understand what you are looking for. For example, instead of just asking what should I post on Instagram, ask what should I post on Instagram to promote my new line of clothing for women in their 30s, right? Use the right language. ChatGPT is trained on a wide range of data, but it's important to use language and terminology that is relevant to your business. For example, if you are a fashion brand, use specific fashion related words. Be consistent. To get the best results from ChatGPT, it's important to use the same language and tone across all your communication with it. This will help it understand your brand's voice and style and generate content that is consistent with it. Provide examples. You need to provide examples. If you are asking ChatGPT to generate content for you, provide example of the type of content you are looking for. This can include links to other pieces of content, keywords, or even images. You need to open minded. ChatGPT is capable of generating a wide range of content, so be open to the suggestions it gives you. Sometimes the content is it generate may be different from what you initially desire. Okay, so that's it. So let's go to summary. In this video we learn about 6 ways to earn with ChatGPT, and this 6 ways best freelance work with ChatGPT. So see you next video. Till then, take care.